So as per the usual, I'm out in the garage again. And it's almost the weekend, and because of that, I've been trying to figure out how to take advantage a little bit of the theater area, which is coming along nicely, I think. And Monique actually got me this right here for the holidays for Christmas. So I figured I want to open it because I want popcorn this weekend when I'm watching movies. So we're going to take a look at what comes with the Star Wars R2-D2 Deluxe popcorn maker. And I apologize again if the lighting is crap because this is way before the lighting is good in here. Actually, maybe I'll open the garage. Hold on. How's that? Now it looks like I got beautiful lighting, which I do because the lighting was actually the outdoors. When people walking by the garage are staring at me. Yeah, that's right. Keep looking. Keep looking. Never seen somebody talk to the camera before in the garage? That's what's happening. This is the Star Wars R2-D2 Deluxe popcorn maker. How much is it worth? I don't know. Probably $1 billion because Monique bought it for me. And that's my expectation, is that she buys me expensive stuff, you know? Anyways, it pops kernels. That's excellent. Using hot air instead of oil. The lid doubles as a serving bowl, 1200 watts of power, detachable canopy, and butter warmer. I haven't really popped popcorn in a long time, so I am kind of excited for this. And I do love R2-D2. Who doesn't love R2-D2, right? And I'm hoping that it's not one of these things that you have to like put it together. No, there's literally nothing. There's nothing. There's about nothing in here except you get a this, right? Popcorn maker. Does it tell me anything? I don't think so. You guys, I'm sorry I'm down to like using one camera, but it is what it is for now. And now I'm cold, just so you know, because it's like -4 outside. Safeguards, plug, power cable. It's a popcorn maker. Sure, you could probably go down to your local Walmart and get yourself a popcorn maker for like $15, but would it be an R2-D2 popcorn maker? No, it would not. Right? Look at this fella. I got more people staring at me. So anyways, this is him. He's lovely. This must come off. Okay. So that's your serving bowl. And then this is your butter warmer right here. The butter warmer that just sticks in the top right there. This is where the popcorn comes out into the popcorn bowl, like so. It's got a lot of plastic on it. But simple, yes, very simple. Little plug-in on the back here, just so you guys can see. We'll put his head back on the back. Nothing too much. He's got his on-off button. Is this seems to come off. I'm not 100% what that's for. I'll have to look to see what that's for. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna make popcorn this weekend. I don't know. It's got like a slidey thing. Just don't take it out. That's the key. I don't quite understand what it's for. Maybe it's just like a cooling thing. Like cooling out the back? Maybe? I don't know. I don't know what this is. But if you take it off, kind of a pain in the butt to put back on. Just so you know. Anyways, let's go make some popcorn, shall we? Okay, so my goal, my intent was to watch something on TV on the weekend, but it didn't happen, so I'm sorry I didn't do it. But R2's here. Everything should be good. I got some Orville Redenbacher popcorn, so that's amazing. And we're gonna see how this functions, I guess. So I guess as he goes, I'm not gonna make a lot of popcorn because I'm really not in the mood for a lot of popcorn, but I'm gonna make sure he does make popcorn. So I'm not even reading the manual. This is coming off. Yes, I'm pouring a little bit in here. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope. It's not it doesn't seem like it's a huge popcorn maker. I guess it really doesn't want to make any more than like what this bowl is capable of holding. That kind of makes sense, right, to me? Anyways, we'll put our R2 head back on here. Yes. This would be, again, if you wanted to melt butter. I'll just put it there. And ready? Just so you guys know, it is 10:46 right now. I'm just gonna make myself some popcorn. 10:46 in the morning. Yeah, ready? It sounds like a popcorn maker. Okay, so he makes popcorn. He makes popcorn. Now, you know, I kind of expected that that's what's gonna happen, but like almost all popcorn makers, it has a real because it spins kind of counterclockwise, so has a thing where it kind of wants to throw the popcorn out this side too. I was kind of blocking it with my hand a lot of times. There was just tons of kernels and stuff just missing this. So maybe, you know, if you're, I don't know, put it up against the wall or something, so the wall's here, so maybe it bounces back into the bowl. I'm not too sure.
Okay, so I'm just kind of interrupting the video in a minute because remember that back piece? Two things. The back piece that went here, yes. This actually comes off and goes here. See, it latches, there's little latch points. Point at the top, one on the side. So that little complaint that I had that, you know, the popcorn spins out and just kind of rifles all over the place. This, as you can see here, stops that from happening. So it hits this little kind of shield thing and just drops right into the bucket. So actually that's really well thought out. Now, it is connected by these points, which I'm gonna be honest, makes this a little bit of a pain in the butt to put away. I wish they maybe made it a little easier to latch on, but it does the trick and it works. Seems to work fine to stop the popcorn and popcorn kernels from just being fired all over the place. Anyways, back to the video.
But you know, depending on your popcorn, it did pretty good, and the fact that it popped, I would say a good 80%, 90% maybe of the actual, you know, kernels. Can you get a cheaper popcorn maker? Yeah, without question. But if this is going to go in kind of your theater room, or you're a Star Wars fan or geek or whatever you want to call that nowadays, then, you know, it's cool because it functions. Yeah, it definitely functions. All right, guys. Monique got me this. I'm not 100% sure what you got it from. I'll look online, see if I can find a link to it and put it in the description below. Anyways, I got a little bit of popcorn and I got a TV set up over there. Yes. And I'm gonna watch some TV. All right. See you next video.